Hello everyone, we have a patient for a face makeover surgery, we can say. But this face makeover is for a reason, it is not purely out of cosmetic reasons. Yes, he does want to have an improved appearance, but there's a history to it. This will be a post-traumatic face makeover. So he has had an accident around 13 years back. And the accident has had been bad at that point in time because he was hospitalized for a very long time. In his own words, about a month he was in ICU. At that time, there were multiple facial bone fractures, particularly the nasal bone fracture, upper jaw fractures as well as lower jaw fracture. That all got repaired. He got implant fixation done, which is through plates and screws. Those were repaired. But it did leave a deformity. Deformity in the sense, if we have a look, his nose is deviated to the right. There's a tipping towards the right. Also, the left and right side of his face are no longer symmetrical. We see hollowness in the mid face for him. Even on the scans, we saw that there's a cant with respect to his occlusion. The upper jaw in the right side is not aligned well with respect to the lower jaw. He had a zygomatico-maxillary complex fracture around 13 years back that has led to the drooping or depression on this side. Nasal bone fracture, which was conservatively managed years back. That the result of this is a deviation. Bite, currently he doesn't have a problem. He also lost some teeth in the accident, which have been replaced using dental implants for him. So overall, we have planned for a genioplasty, angle osteoplasty to correct the asymmetry because he also had a fractured mandible at that point in time, some cheek contouring to correct the asymmetry with respect to the mid face, buccal pad fad, and also a rhinoplasty. So it will be a face makeover of sorts for him. Thank you.
కొంచెం కలెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది కాస్ట్ No mouth will come.
Hello everyone, greetings to all our viewers. We have a post-surgical patient, almost 7 days over for him. He's about to leave. We'll remove the Rhinoplasty, remove the nasal splint. But before that, I would like to talk about what his chief complaint was when he came here. He had facial asymmetry, but the facial asymmetry was because of the trauma that he experienced about 13 years back. Yeah, rightly, 13 years back he had a trauma, he had a road traffic accident. That time the hit was on the chin, and because of that he had multiple fractures, almost an angle fracture on this side, malar bone fracture, zygomaticomaxillary complex fractures. He had implants placed at that point in time, he had those removed later on. So because of the surgery, because of the trauma that happened, and also the implants were removed, currently when he came to us he had facial asymmetry. The right and left side of his face was clearly not symmetrical. Right now the asymmetry which exists is because of the post-surgical swelling. We've assured him that will come down because his healing has been uneventful. There has been no kind of post-operative disturbance for him. Yeah, we will go ahead with removal of the dressing. I know that's a little. We also did a rhinoplasty for him. The reason being, he had a nasal deviation, right? Your nose was deviated to one side. I know. This hurts a bit. We have soaked it completely for you. This is going to hurt, I know. I'm going as slow as possible. Okay, fine. I'll take breaks in between. It's okay, relax. Very painful?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm not even started. I'm not applying force. Okay, we are done with one part of it. Look this side. Just give a little sterile. Okay. That's fine, it's soaked. Okay. Do you want me to stop?
No.
It's okay. I know, skin is a little loose. That's over the neck. That is why. It's over the neck. Skin is a little loose. I'm sorry, I know this hurts. Okay, we're almost there. Keep your body loose. Look down a little bit. So completely wet. I'll go slow. Okay, okay, okay. This won't hurt you. We are done. It's okay. You can open your eyes. We are done. This was the worst part of the surgery. अब तक सबसे ज़्यादा दर्द.
सबसे ज़्यादा.
I'm sorry, but that's only because of the adhesive. Okay. ये इतना नहीं दुखेगा. Okay. दुख रहा है ये वाला? ओके. ठीक है भरत, यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट योर सेल्फ. हम आपको पुराने पिक्चर्स भी दिखाएंगे, वो भी साइड पे रखेंगे ऑन हिज लेफ्ट. टेक द पिक्चर्स ऑन हिज लेफ्ट. ये सारे एडहेसिव मार्क्स हैं, वो चले जाएंगे. मैं थोड़ा सा क्लीन कर रही हूँ. आपके एलआर बेस पे भी सूचर्स हैं, स्टिचेस हैं, वो भी निकल जाएंगे. Okay, Bharat, just look straight, look little down. ठीक है, सीधा देखो. Okay. You can have a look at yourself. So when he came here, this is his pre-operative picture. As we can see, he had fullness over one side, depression over the other. Actually, it was because of the trauma that he's having fullness on this side. He had a trauma, as I told, he has a post-traumatic facial asymmetry, wherein his fullness, he had hit the chin, and because of this he had angle fracture, symphysis fracture at that point in time, a ZMC fracture. Right cheekbone, the malar prominence has gone over here, the arch prominence is more, angle fullness is over here more. His nose was also deviated, right? आपका nose deviated था towards the right. Yes. What all procedures he has undergone, I would elaborate. Namely, he had a rhinoplasty done. Especially the osteotomy part was important for in his case. Why? Because he wanted the nasal deviation to be corrected. आपका नोज वो टुवर्ड्स राइट था, वो डॉर्सल करेक्शन करना था. दैट वी डिड. सेकेंडली एलआर बेस. वाई? बिकॉज यू वांटेड अ कॉस्मेटिक अपीयरेंस ऑल्सो. वी डिड right side. More of work has been done. Why I say is because the asymmetry was more on this side. So he has undergone angle osteoplasty. That is the reason he has swelling on the right. Angle osteoplasty and also cheek contouring on the right side. Buccal pad fat was removed. His genioplasty has also been done to get the chin ahead and proportionate to his face. So if you look on one side, there is no deviation of the chin. This fullness, I know you cannot appreciate 100% because of the swelling in the cheek and the angle that's masking it. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है ये ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा फूल गया as compared to your previous picture. वो इसीलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे cheek contouring हुआ है. cheek contouring में पोस्ट सर्जिकल ईडिमा एक ही साइड है. अगर मैं आपका रेट करूँ पोस्ट सर्जिकल ईडिमा, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी मच. अगर हम दूसरे साइड पे भी करते तो इतना रहता इज ओके. लेकिन आपका कैसा है, एक साइड इज प्री सर्जिकल स्टेज, एक साइड पोस्ट सर्जिकल स्टेज, जिसके वजह से वो और दिख के आ रहा है, नज़र ज़्यादा आ रहा है. एंगल ऑस्टियोप्लास्टी का अभी कम हो गया आपका इस साइड का, लेकिन चीक पे ज़्यादा है इसलिए दिख के आ रहा है. लेट इट ऑल सेटल डाउन, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. कंप्लीट हीलिंग मैं बोलूँगी 4 वीक्स के बाद रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्ट करो. लेकिन इन द कमिंग वीक्स यू आर मच बेटर नाउ एज कम्पेयर टू डे 1. तो इन द कमिंग वीक्स इट विल ओनली इम्प्रूव. You have had no experience of a fever or post-operative terrible pain. They are all good signs that you're healing well. Clean करेंगे, we'll take the stitches off for you.
Okay.
In your case, there was no need for rib harvest, so we've not taken one. Yeah. How are you feeling? I know it's too early to comment for you क्योंकि swelling की वजह से mask हो गया आपका.
I'm really appreciative, ma'am.
Do stay in touch with us. Follow-up is important. A lot of our viewers also ask about follow-up, and in your case follow-up is extremely important because right now even in fact we are not able to judge accurately, but we have seen you intraoperatively. That is just after the operation we have seen you on the table, and we know that your results will be good. Okay, with respect to your nose, it's come out well, it's sleek and it's straight. At least वो दिख के आ रहा है because there also swelling is there with respect to these areas, लेकिन still it's less as compared to your cheek and your angle. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you.